sorry about that. Don't be hate me, please.
Hello guys, today we decided to make a brand new song for Altanay. Now we have absolutely zero lyrics.
Hi there guys, my name is Altanay. I'm from Bashkortostan.
No lyrics, no lyrics.
My English is not good. My English is no good. I want this experience. No AI, no GPT, only human. My country, famous bees. My girls, tasty like honey. You say me, where are you? Cheese. Ты путаешь, я же пишу, бля, fucking shit, motherfucker.
Oh.
Me too like him, I'm immigrant, honey.
We found interesting instrument. It's probably strings that play music style of Britney Spears Toxic.
Britney Spears Toxic?
Yes,
Toxic?
it's called Toxic.
I know Britney Spears. I like Britney Spears, but I need Britney Spears like hip hop.
Baby, can't you see?
I'm right lyric now. My English no good, but I'm right at the English in English. To English.
So we're looking for a beat. Now I'm looking for a beat. Let me know if you find something interesting. Okay.
I don't understand. Okay. Write the text.
I think it's enough. We need just your voice. So we have a drum loop, we have a bass, we have a string sample from almost Britney Spears Toxic. Now Altanay made a lyrics.
I made the lyrics, but I don't speak English. My English is bad. But I made lyrics. Hey, hey. Ooh.
So okay, let's make a third.
I can't go to home. The police would be there. They hate me, please. I'm not bad.
So we find the.
I'm genius. I'm genius. He genius and he genius. The police with me there. I was put in position there.
Actually, it took around 2 hours.
No, 5 minutes.
No, 2 hours.
5 minutes.
So guys, finally our song is ready. We have one verse and chorus.
I made it text.
Yes, I think it's
lyrics.
It sounds very great.
Lyrics.
It's like Altanay bring very strong energy.
Yes. Energy.
Are you ready, my friend?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Do you know Johnny? Me too like him. I'm immigrant, honey. If you say me, go to home. Yeah, me, I say for that. I want it, but I can't. I can't go to home. The police want me there. I was super top position. That's why I'm here. I follow with my heart. My conscience clear. No war, only love, peace and cheers. I'm immigrant. Sorry about that. Don't be hate me, please. I'm not bad. I'm immigrant. Sorry about that. Don't be hate me, please. I'm not bad. I'm immigrant. Sorry about that. Don't be hate me, please. I'm not bad. I'm immigrant. Sorry about that. Don't be hate me, please. I'm not bad.
Yeah. Ще шапки усъкнеш.